This is a quick 30-minute video of my first flight of the year from Zelienople Airport to Butler County Airport, now called Pittsburgh Butler Airport. I landed on runway 26 at Butler and then came back and landed at runway 17 at Zeli and then taxied back to my hangar. It was a fun flight. Good times. Light winds. This is a 1968 Cessna Skylane, and I just got done with my pre-start checklist, and here we go.
All right. Hello, everybody. Got Jeff Smathers here, January 5th, 2020, and just going to go out for 20 minutes or so in the Skylane around Zelienople, Pennsylvania. Strobe lights, beacon, nav lights on my Garmin GN 750 and my ASK primary flight display 1000 Pro with synthetic vision. Panel lights on. 43 gallons of gas on board.
5, visibility, 10, ceiling 2,400, overcast, temperature 0 Celsius, dew point -5, altimeter 3002.
3002 on the barometer. Okay, we are going to do a run-up. Spent a lot of money updating the panel, updating the interior plastics, the headliner, autopilots, like that. Okay, set the brake. And internal engines taxiing before takeoff. Check the flight controls. That's working. Mixture adjust. Power 1700. We're in the green. Okay, 1700. We exercise the prop. We're going to get some warm oil into the propeller hub so we can smoothly adjust the propeller RPM. First time flight of the day. Check the mags. Left mag. Right mag. Good. Carb heat. EGT goes down. RPM goes down. Manifold pressure goes down. Change. Vacuum. Good. Amp meter. Amp meter. Charging. Power reduce. Oh, I'm going to take the carb heat out. And go to idle with the carb heat out. Still runs. Carb heat back in. Trim. Cowl flaps open. Rudder trim is neutral. Lights, transponder, and clearance. Landing lights on. Lights are all on. Walking. It's lights, camera, action. Good. Off.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, taking off runway 17, Zelienople.
Extra rich. Prop full forward. Yes, we are. Now watch. We'll put synthetic vision on. Nobody on the runway, nobody landing. Cessna seat wiggle. Okay, get up on the runway. Got a crosswind from the right. 220 degrees. Green, green, green. Oil temperature is good. Okay, we have full throttle. '68, 70, rotate. Keep the nose down a little bit. There's a helicopter at 1 o'clock high. Turn the nose down. Everything looks good. Oh, it's a pretty day out. Coming up on 1,000 feet. At 1,000 feet, I feel comfortable pulling the power back a little bit, okay? There's 1,000 feet. Pull the power manifold pressure back to the top of the green. A little under. And the RPM bring back to 2450. Going anywhere. We're just going to bring it back to a nice economy cruise. Close the cow flaps, it's cold out. Ugh. Why don't we go land at Butler Airport? There she is. Throw 111.5 in there. Throw the Butler Unicom in. Butler AWAS 124.5.
Automated weather observation. 213 1.
Clear 26, taxiing back to high flight Butler.
0 at 07. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast. 2,100. Visibility.
Okay, we're landing on 26.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, 4 miles to the west. We'll be entering a left downwind 26 Butler. Full stop.
A little bouncy. Ground speed 131, so nice tailwind here. $19 inches of manifold pressure. Dr. Feller's farm. Second notch of flaps, 20 degrees. 16 inches, carb heats out, mixtures rich.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, left base 26 Butler.
Top full forward. Base. Fast. Gas undercarriage mixture prop 3 green. Full flaps. Okay, we're all situated for landing. 95, on 80. Slowing down. Butler Country Club's on the right. $85, 84. Looks good. Ooh, horrible. Rusty, haven't flown in weeks. Jesus.
Pittsburgh Butler Airport, Skylane 42364, clear of the active, taxiing back to the active Butler.
Boy, it is icy. I didn't think there was like freezing rain. Party 26 Butler. February 5th, 2020. Green, green, green. Crosswind from the front left. 52, Rotate. That runway is icy. Green, 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 all looking good. Thousand feet. Power back, top of the green. And we'll just take it back to 20 inches of manifold pressure. And the RPM is back to like 2350. Correct Zeli, 93. Back to GPS. Clean the mixture. And we'll stay right here. This altitude's fine. Clean the mixture. And we will do GPS steering. And altitude hold. On the S-Tech System 30 had put in almost 2 years ago. Valve flaps closed. Alright. One airplane in the pattern at Zeli.
Public traffic, Cessna 5635 Echo, taking off 126 at Butler, closed traffic.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364 is departing the area to the west. Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, 6 miles to the east, landing Zelienople runway 17.
Ground speed's 114 knots. Okay, GPS steering off. Manifold pressure reduced an inch or two.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364 is 3 miles to the east, landing 17 Zelienople.
Altitude hold off. Autopilot off. 135 miles an hour, first notch of flaps coming into the pattern. Okay, we're down at 17 inches of manifold pressure. Carb heat out. Outside temperature is -1 degrees Celsius.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364 is entering left downwind 17 Zelienople.
Ceiling 2,400. Overcast. Temperature 0 Celsius. Dew point -4. Altimeter 3002.
Okay, we got it.
Zelienople Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2148 Zulu. Weather. Wind 210 at 6. Visibility 10. Ceiling 2.
Yeah, we got it. 210 at 6. Visual 17.
Filter traffic, 702 Bob Alpha is on the left base to runway 19.
Mixture rich, prop full forward.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, left base 17, full stop, Zelienople.
Here, right. Gas undercarriage mixture prop 3 green. Clear right.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, turning final, 17, full stop, Zelienople, full stop.
All right. 3 green. Winds from the right, 220 from the right, right crosswind. .90 knots or 90 miles an hour.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 364, short final, 17, full stop.
.80 over the fence. Slowly reduce the power. There we go. A lot better. Clean the mixture. Flaps up, carb heat in. And don't use the brakes, just save the brakes. Got a lot, 5,000 foot runway. Elevator trim back to neutral, rudder trim back to neutral. Landing light off.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, clear of the active, 17, taxiing back to the box hangars. Zelienople.
That is a 30-minute flight. 2 landings. Keeping the airplane running regularly, so even if I have nowhere to go, the engine is not rusting away. But I'm in a heated hangar. Keep it about 60, and that's really good for the airplane. And lastly, I'm Jeff Smathers, 23-year veteran of selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a house in Pittsburgh, sell a house in Pittsburgh, give me a call. And I will take very good care of you. And I'm with Howard Hanna. That's who's sponsoring this commercial. Howard Hanna Real Estate by Jeff Smathers. That is how you fly an airplane. So, turn the avionics off, autopilot.
I think that went well. Horrible landing at Butler. I sort of weather streamed, weather vaned into the wind because the runway was icy. That was bad. But we lived. We're still here. All right. Another great flight. My first flight of 2020, everybody. It's great. Great job. My dad's airplane. He traded in his Comanche 250 on a 1960 Aztec, and then the Aztec had so many things wrong with it that they traded it 1968 Skylane in July of 1968. After owning the Aztec for less than a year, the Aztec, I found a picture of it. That was the Aztec they bought. Here's a brand, the brochure from 1968 for this airplane. Bought it off eBay. Awesome. The inside of the airplane. That's the color scheme of the airplane that I have. Isn't that amazing? It's like a time capsule. I think it's awesome. If that isn't a time capsule, I don't know what is. Different colors. So all the colors, all the stuff that was standard equipment and additional equipment for Skylane. The specs for 182 and the 180 in the Skylane. Skylane was a knot or two faster because of wheel pants or something. And here's a great article that was done in Cessna Flyer magazine by Heather Schumatz on my aircraft repurchase 6 years ago from John Schmader, who I bought it back from. There's me in the airplane when I was a kid in 1978 or 1980. My dad's old logbook. A lot of history. And that right here is my son flying in a co-pilot seat.